people, welcome back to my channel Be Obsessed. This is Sumana. First of all, thank you very much for the overwhelming love that you guys have showered on me, and because of your love my channel has already reached more than 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. And I thought this was an appropriate occasion to share with you guys something which is very important in our daily lives. And many of you have been asking me questions regarding this particular products. So today, as by now you know by the title, it's about a shopping haul, but it's not a very common shopping haul that you get to see every day on YouTube. It is something which is more beneficial to your health, towards your health, because by now you must have understood that anything that I do is about your health. If you're internally fit, if you're internally clear, then it will reflect on your face. It will show up on your face. It will be beautiful. You will be, bright and glowing. So today's we will be talking about something which is a very ancient way in our Indian culture, but now it is more getting westernized because Western people are taking over this and they are getting the benefits out of it, whereas we have actually forgotten our roots and we do not implement those products. So that is the reason I am trying to bring in front of you something which is very primitive, which our ancestors have been using it for a very long period of time. So that is Ayurveda. I'm sure all of you must be aware of Ayurveda and its benefits. So now the world is changing and they are trying to move from normal products to chemical products to normal Ayurvedic products, because one, the benefits are long term, and the second is there is no side effects. Yes, mark you, there's no side effects. So because you guys have been asking me for a very long time about all the products that I use for myself, what are the creams and everything. So as I told you that I always go natural. So today I'm going to show you some products which will be very helpful for you for your lifetime health, I would say lifetime health. So the first product that I would show you is called the Satavari Gulam. Okay, this is the product. This is actually a female product. This product is good for uterine bleeding, abnormal vaginal discharges, hormonal imbalances. So what happens is nowadays in our fast forward life, most of the ladies, as soon as they cross their puberty and till the time of 45, they suffer from a disease called PCOD, which is out of 100 women, 90 women suffer from PCOD during their reproductive age. And in order to find a solution or to cure it, as long as I have been getting treated on PCOD, there was no permanent solution. But from the time I have switched to Ayurvedic medicine and Ayurveda, I have started getting the results. So this is a product that I am launching under my brand name, which is Be Obsessed, and this is a 100% Ayurvedic product. If you are suffering from PCOD, you can have 3 bottles of this, okay? If you are under any kind of medication right now, if you are not under any kind of medication, then only 2 bottles will suffice. And if you do not have PCOD, but you are already in the age between like 15 to 45, you can have only 1 bottle of this, and this is a permanent solution and a permanent cure to PCOD, irregular periods, mood swings, hormonal imbalance, everything. And this comes with a 100% money back guarantee. So if the recommended usage, the dosage that has been recommended to you, if you follow that and after that if you are not getting any results, or your PCOD is not cured permanently, then I will be giving you 100% money back under my company's brand name, because this will be launched under my company's brand name. So these are the products. So a few products today that I will show you, And in case if I get more than 20 orders, then I am planning to actually launch a website for you guys, so that you guys can actually go fidget around on the website and you can see the benefits of each of the products, the dosage of each of the products, and order from the website itself. But initially, to start off with and to give you the benefits out of it, I just thought that I should just do a haul, and in case if you're interested, you can always send me the request. So there is an email address down below where you can send me your request or your concerns, anything that you want to know. You can let me know. I will list the name of the product along with the price in the description box. The next product that I would like to show you is something that is very, very common, but we are not using it. That is called stevia. So this is one of the herbal products which is again right from the farms. It's 100% organic, no side effect. Anybody and everybody can have this. And the way to use this is in hot water, like in 1 cup of hot water, you just mix about 1 spoonful of it and store it in the freezer for about an hour or 2, and then you would see a crystal clear syrup that gets formed on top. So you can just strain that and you can use it in any of your drinks, your whatever you make, in your tea, in your coffee, in your milkshakes, or even if you're planning to make a sweet dessert, you can use it. And this is recommended for everybody. Anybody and everybody can have this. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you are, and this is actually calorie free as well. So there is no calorie in it. So it comes with a tagline, calorie free. So this is again under Be Obsessed. In case if you want to order this particular product, this is stevia. This is the original stevia, and this is how it looks. So in case if you want to order this, I will again leave the link below in the description box along with the price, so that you can go and check it there. Okay, so and nowadays every one of us, we are suffering from something called like we want to lose weight very quickly, but we are always eating on like fast food or street side food or something. So as by now you must be aware that I like to eat fast food, but that's homemade fast food. But people who are not having the opportunity to cook at home or something like that, and still they want to reduce weight and they want to start their weight loss journey as soon as possible, this is the next product that I will show you will not only help you in your weight loss journey, it's a permanent cure that it will help you to cut down your belly fat, because especially the belly fat is the stubborn fat that we all suffer from, and it takes months and years to cut down on that. But this product, if you take a recommended dosage, will help you reduce those belly fat, and it's permanent. If it is not permanent, you get 100% money back. So the product is called Mustasti Kashyam. It's a Ayurvedic product. So it's this is something that you need to drink. It's 15 ml every day, twice. You need to drink this before lunch. That's before lunch and before dinner, which is half an hour before lunch and half an hour before dinner. So this is not a fat burner actually, but what this product does is it increases your metabolism. And we all know that the more metabolic rate we have, the more leaner we are. So we tend to lose weight as soon as possible if we have a high metabolic rate, which means our organs are functioning properly. We are getting the right amount of blood wherever it is required. Our heart is actually pumping the right amount of blood. So this will help in that. So in case if you want to reduce like 3 to 4 kilos in a month, you can go for this one, but you have to have 3 bottles of it. It's 3 bottles per adult. So if you consume 3 bottles, which is the recommended dosage, you will definitely lose about 4 to 5 kilos of your weight, depending on your body type as well. But 4 to 5 kilos is definite, and it's a permanent solution. If you do not lose weight, you get 100% money back guarantee. So mind you, 100% money back guarantee. And definitely I would, and you don't need to do any kind of diet with this as well. So this is very, very simple. Whatever you consume every day on a regular basis, just before eating your meal, just have it 15 ml, just half an hour before your meal, which is before lunch and before dinner, which are the two major meals for your life. And you will feel very, very energetic as well. So again, I will link this down below in the description box along with the price of this product and the link. Okay, so next thing, what's up in there, let me show you. Okay, people are suffering from pigmentation. I'm aware of it because even I had a lot of pigmentation on my face, and how I cured it is by using herbal products. So this is called Kasturi turmeric, okay, which is like this, fresh Kasturi turmeric, and it's organic, 100% organic. This is sandalwood powder, red sandalwood powder, okay, and this is a fairness oil, a beauty fairness oil, which is again made of Ayurvedic products. So this how you need to use is half a teaspoon of this, half a teaspoon of the turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of this oil. So you need to make a nice thick paste and apply it on your face, leave it for half an hour, and then wash it off. So you need to do this treatment. If you have too much pigmentation on your face, then you need to do it twice in a week. But if you have normal to light pigmentation or acne scars or any mark on your face, then you can do it only once a week. And this is recommended only for women. Men folks, please do not try this because this will actually reduce your facial hair growth. So it's not advisable for men to do this. In case if you are someone who wants to have a clean hair-free face, then definitely you can go for it. Otherwise, it is highly recommended for women so that you can get spotless, glowing skin, and it will gradually reduce all your hair growth as well. So this is one of the products which is really, really essential, and it has helped me a lot. So I will again link this down below in the description box. If you want to order it with the description number or with the name, you can just send me an email. So I have an email address down there. You can send me any questions there. Okay, so what do we have next? Okay, now this is something which is really, 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 really important, because the amount of stress, the amount of pollution that we have nowadays, every day, everybody, if you see from here to, like if you have to walk 5 minutes, there's so much pollution, there's so much stress. That is the reason we tend to lose hair. And once you start losing hair, mainly men lose hair from front and from this portion of their head, so they become bald. And women also, women suffering from PCOD has the same tendency of losing hair from the front part of their head as well as from this part of the head. So how do we stop it? There is no remedy. You go to expensive treatments, you go for hair implantation, you go for spa, you go for like different types of things. You spend thousands and thousands, but you still are not satisfied with the result. You still get the same kind of hair fall. Let me tell you something. About 150 hair strands every day, if you lose them, it's absolutely normal. It's normal to lose 150 strands of hair. But in case if that hair is not growing back, which is a cycle, you lose hair, the hair grows back. You lose hair, the hair grows back. When it stops growing back, that's when you start becoming bald. So how do we stop that? You can use this particular oil. So this is a combination of almost 4 Ayurvedic ingredients. It's very difficult to pronounce the Ayurvedic ingredients that is there in it. However, this is called the Nishoshiradi Tailam, which is 100% pure hair oil, What you need to do is, the application needs to be done 21 days consecutively. And once you apply this, you need to leave it for half an hour to 2 hours to overnight. So the longer you leave it on your hair, on your scalp, the better the results will be. So after 21 days of continuous usage, you will see the results that you are getting new hair growth, and you will get the original hair color back. Whichever hair color you were born with, you will get the same color. So all the gray hairs will also go back, because this will give color to your hair. So it will no longer be gray or white. It will start turning black, or the original color. So the dosage will be, for one adult, 1 bottle is sufficient. This 1 liter bottle is sufficient. So it's not that after 21 days you stop applying it. You need to apply this bottle till the time you finish up this entire bottle. And if you do that, it's a 100% guarantee that it's a lifetime cure for your hair fall. So if after using this entire bottle, if you still see that you have hair fall, you can definitely let me know, and there will be a 100% money back guarantee on this. So this is again under the brand Be Obsessed, and I will link the details below. This will actually help you regain your hair growth again. So this definitely worth a try. Okay, so the last product that I have with me is something which will help you detoxify. This is called the Akshrita grape wine. It's Ayurvedic wine. Okay, so don't get me wrong, it's not wine with alcohol. It does not have alcohol at all. So people who are looking to buy this product in order to get the drowsiness from wine, or get the hang of wine, then I'm sorry, this is not a product for you guys. This is not to do anything with alcohol. It's 100% pure Ayurvedic wine. What this does is, this helps you purify your blood from within, and also it helps you remove your dead cells from the brain. So what happens with age, we start getting clogs over our brain cells, and there's like a lot of dead cells that get accumulated, and that's how we start losing our memory. Sometimes we forget things, we become forgetful, and we can't remember things, we cannot get impromptu ideas. This will help you release all those tissue blockages, and it will clean your body as well. So the recommended dosage for this would be 30 ml. Don't drink beyond 30 ml, because if you drink more than 30 ml, that effect will be same. So it's better to drink 30 ml before you go to sleep at night. So 30 ml every day before you go to sleep at night. So the first 10 days, if you do, from the 3rd day you will start seeing the results. You will see a pinkish glow on your face, but if you continue it, you will see better results. So this is the Ayurvedic wine. I will again link the price and the description below in the description box. So these are all these products that is available with Be Obsessed today. And so guys, if you want to order any of these products, as I told you, if I get more than 20 orders, definitely I will be launching my website, because I'm sure you guys would help me, and with your love I have reached so far. So definitely you would want me to launch this website so that I can share the benefits of this particular products with all of you. And in case if you want to discuss anything one-on-one, please drop me an email on the email address that's down below. Please mention that, and also you can leave me your comments and give me your likes if you like this video. And anybody who wants to order, please drop me an email so that I can check with you, I can consult, and accordingly I can offer you the dosage as well. So if you like this video that I shared with you, this was my personal space that I shared with you. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon just beside that, so that anytime I upload a new video, you get a notification about it. And keep loving me like this, so I'll keep bringing new videos and new options for you guys as well. So see you next time. Till then, bye bye.